Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at Crave and HBO. So let's just go right into sign in. On the top right hand corner of your screen you will see sign in after you go into crave.ca. Just sign in, and at this point in time what you guys can do is sign up through Crave or through a TV provider. So we're going to go ahead and select the very first option. From here, most of you don't have a sign in obviously because we're signing up for the first time. So we're going to select new to Crave, which is our last option, and we're going to just select subscribe now. From here, it's going to ask you for your email. Once you put in your email, it's going to ask you to create a password and then confirm that password. So we're going to go ahead, create those passwords, and just click on register, bottom right hand side. Once you click there, you will see the screen. And from here, we can subscribe to exactly what we want. So we can do this by monthly or annual. In this case, we're signing up to get it for 30 days for free. So you should see this up here. So it does say free for 30 days. So that's your trial. After your trial ends, then and only then will they charge you. If you guys cancel, let's say on day number 20th, then they will not charge you anything. And you guys can actually use it until day number 30. So we're going to go ahead and select monthly. Gonna go ahead and select continue down here below, and at this point in time we can choose HBO or anything else. Keep in mind any of these will also be under that 30 days. So if we're gonna click on HBO, for example, just click on price options, go ahead and select monthly and keep scrolling down and you will see other add-ons. So any add-on that you guys would like, just add it right down here and select monthly. Same thing goes here, just price and then select monthly if you guys want that, and from there just confirm your price and select continue. After that, it's going to ask you for your credit card information or a gift card if you guys have one. In this case, we're just going to add our credit card. Once you put that in, just keep scrolling down and fill in your address. So this is your billing address. After you fill that up, on the bottom right hand side you will see save. From there, just continue on down here below. We're just going to click on continue. And right here, we're going to see our summary. So we should see that this is 1 month free trial. So right here, it should say trial. Trial means free. They're not going to charge you anything. Only after you're done your trial, then and only then will they charge you. So that means down here, you should be looking at the date. So this is the important part. So only after this date will they actually charge you anything. Other than that, your total should be 0. From there, just scroll all the way down. On this box up here on the top left hand side, just put a check mark. So just click right there and complete your order. So we're gonna go ahead and click on complete order. At this point, you should see this screen and you have completed this purchase. So you're all done. You guys can go ahead and use Crave. So just continue to Crave down here below. Just click on continue to Crave. Right now, you are all set. You guys can go ahead and continue to use Crave. On the top right hand corner, you guys will see sign in. So just in case you guys didn't sign in already, just click on sign in. Technically, it was supposed to sign you in right away. If it didn't, go ahead and sign in. Sometimes on Macs, if you're using Safari, it doesn't work properly. So just use Google Chrome. So as long as you signed in, it will ask you to create a profile. So go ahead and choose a nickname if you guys would like to. So I'm going to put in tech and design. I don't want to put a passcode on this. So I'm going to select no, English is perfect, and then just click on create. At this point in time, I can go ahead and play anything from Crave. So let's say I want to play this movie down here. I can just click on play and it's going to start playing. I can choose the audio obviously and go ahead and continue. I'm obviously not going to play it at this point in time because I would get copyrighted. So I'm just going to go back on here. But anyways, that would be it for this video. Have fun with it. It's 30 days for free. So we really appreciate that, especially at these times. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.